All right, this is my first Friday funding, and I'm going to start trying to get this out every Friday to you guys as agents. So you're also going to get a second video every Friday that you can pirate. You can add your own stuff on it and then send it out to your database, new buyers. Like this first one I'm sending this Friday will be on payment differences between a 4% and a 5% interest rate. How much more buying power a first-time a renter would get by buying now, why rates are 4 rather than waiting and seeing what happens at 5. So it's very cool. So I'm going to try to get that out to you every Friday. This is new, so you may not see it every Friday, but this is the plan anyway. And then also on Fridays, I'm going to update you on kind of what rates are doing. So for example, this Friday, I would say 30-year FHA rates are close to 4. And some folks may get a tick under that, just depending on the strength of the file. Conforming rates are a little more 4 1/8 right now on a 30-year fixed. 15-year FHAs are running about 3.5 right now. And VA has the same rates as FHA for the most part. So that's the second piece that I want to start addressing on Fridays. Third piece is just an industry overview. As you guys have been told a couple times, but I'll remind you the FHA loan limit has dropped to 368. Big help. Trying to turn the industry, not happy about it. And then also too, I'm going to talk about a bank overlay. My bank overlay this Friday is a lot of the banks and mortgage bankers too are repulling credit a couple days before close. With Guild Mortgage, I do not repull credit. In fact, if it's an in-house product that I'm doing, because we are a direct servicer, I don't sell to the banks. If we have an issue on a loan, we actually keep it, service it, fund it in-house. My credit bureau is good for 4 months, which is a huge advantage because I've had some very nasty stories where people 2 days prior to close, they repull credit, the FICO dropped, and they lost the house. So it's happened at least twice to some of my folks in the last year, and one of the ones has a stagecoach. That's the only hint I'll give you. But anyway, have a productive weekend. You can call me anytime at the office. My cell is 720-371-4791. And remember to send your buyers over the weekend to approvedbybill.com, and I'll immediately know that they've done it, and I can oftentimes get a hold of them on the weekend.